In this video, we're going to learn how to use the write function. Here in my example, I have my sales reps, department codes, and I want to go ahead and extract all the departments abbreviations from my department codes over here in the middle. I see that my department codes are formatted to have the city first, DAL, the state next, TX, and then the department code on the far right side, MKT. I see it's consistently carried to have the last three characters be the department code for all of my entries here. So I'm going to use the write function to extract the last three characters of each department code entry. I'll say equal write. My first argument here is text. What text or what cell holds my text string I want to go ahead and extract characters from? Those will be found here in cell C6, comma. Next is numchar. This is the number of characters I want to extract from that text string again, working from right to left. I want the last three, so I'll put a 3 here. Close it out, push enter, and carry it down. And here I see the write function extracting text going from right to left.